Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to connect an iPhone to an Infiniti G37. First, ensure your vehicle is safely parked. Then, on your iPhone, navigate to the Settings app and tap on Bluetooth to turn it on. Next, in your Infiniti G37, locate the Settings or Phone button on your dashboard or infotainment system. This will prepare both devices for the pairing process. Once in the car's phone menu, select the option to Connect Device or Add New Device. Your Infiniti G37 will then begin searching for nearby Bluetooth-enabled devices. On the car's display, you should see a list of available devices. Carefully select your iPhone's name from this list to initiate the pairing sequence. After selecting your iPhone, a pairing code will appear on both your phone and the Infiniti's screen. Verify that these codes match, then confirm the connection on both devices. Your iPhone may then ask for permission to access your contacts and call history. It is recommended to allow this for full functionality. Your iPhone will then display connected to your Infiniti G37. With your iPhone successfully connected, you can now enjoy several convenient features. You can make and receive hands-free phone calls directly through your Infiniti's audio system, enhancing safety. Additionally, wirelessly stream your favorite music, podcasts, and audiobooks. Many Infiniti models also allow you to use voice commands for even safer interaction, keeping your focus on the road.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.